Congratulations to Albert Pedersen for winning $3,300 from Cloudflare for finding a vulnerability in Cloudflare's CASB product. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to these two products like Cloudflare CASB, what is confused TIPT problem, and how Albert found it, and I will also post the link to the blog post written by Albert where he explains in great detail what is the vulnerability, how did he find it, where did he find it, and then how did he fix it with a complete timeline. So really good work by Albert. So let's get right into it what this was all about. So this was found by Albert Pedersen, and as he posted on his blog post, it is fixed by Cloudflare now, and they have also made it public, so which is correct. And I believe that Albert found out this problem on April 18th this year, 2023, and he found this vulnerability in Cloudflare's CASB product that enabled him to view sensitive information about other customers' Microsoft and GitHub organizations. This sensitive information included a lot of things like emails or even employee names, some of the links to SharePoint files, repos name, and a lot of other things. And as I said, I will post a link to his blog post where you can read it in more detail. And he has also posted the report on HackerOne. So, what exactly is a confused TIPT vulnerability or confused TIPT problem? In very simple words, it is a security issue where an entity that doesn't have permission to perform an action can coerce a more privileged entity to perform the action. Or, in other words, it is a confused DIPT is a computer program that is tricked by another program into misusing its authority on the system. Now, what is Cloudflare? Cloudflare is one of the world's largest company which provides security products like a firewall, CASB, uh, and I will explain what CASB is shortly. So normally Cloudflare's products are very solid, very safe. So again, it is really a great feat that Albert has found a vulnerability in Cloudflare's product. Okay, so as I mentioned, that Cloudflare is mainly is famous for their CDN or content delivery network, and also it offers a lot of products around DNS, DDoS protection and security. So mainly around cyber security. Now you know what is confused TIPT problem and what is Cloudflare. Now in terms of CASB or Cloudflare CASB, this is another great product by Cloudflare where it is a product that mainly integrates with your organization's cloud hosted applications and other SaaS or even PaaS services to scan for and alert you of security issues. So, as a very simple example, for example, if you are on your company's network and if you try to upload any file to any public like Dropbox, or your own personal Google Drive and that file contains any personal or sensitive information of company, this CASB product will block it. Okay. Now, there are a lot of integrations which can be done with Cloudflare CASB. Um, for example, you can integrate it with Dropbox or with GitHub, Jira, Confluence, Salesforce, Microsoft, and a lot of other products. So for this problem, CDP, which is a confused TIPT problem with Cloudflare CASB, Albert tried it out with GitHub and also with Microsoft. And as I mentioned, he was able to find that vulnerability which allowed or to view which allowed him to view sensitive information about customers Microsoft and GitHub organizations. And he tried it out with these two products, and as I mentioned, he has put in great detail step by step procedure which he followed to find out this vulnerability in his blog post. Now, once that's done, he reported it back to Cloudflare. Cloudflare immediately fixed it. I think just within a day, I guess, and they released the fix. And he retested it. Fix was there. Then Cloudflare gave him $3,300, which I believe is bit on the bit lower side. given the amount of work he has put in and the vulnerability which he found out, which was missed by Cloudflare, and given the market cap of Cloudflare, I think there should be at least one more zero there, or maybe two more zeros. Anyway, so uh, then around 7th of June, Cloudflare made this report public, and also then he uh, printed this write up. Again, great work by Albert, and also kudos to Cloudflare for not only taking immediate actions on this vulnerability, fixing it, and then making it public. Thank you very much.